Easy 5-mile run today and decided to get my run in just a little bit earlier today because it's supposed to be blazing hot today, right around 100 degrees or so. I'm gonna throw the map up here, splits up here. And yesterday's Murph challenge does have me a little bit sore, to be honest with you. Not so much my lower body, but more of my upper body. The other side of my elbow right here on the crevice, my biceps, my triceps, and a little bit of my shoulder and chest. And usually 100 pull-ups and 200 push-ups won't do anything to me as far as soreness, but because I was doing it back to back to back to back and squeezing everything in such a short amount of time with pretty much no rest in between, I think that's what caused the soreness. And today was one of those days where it was differentiating between soreness and on the verge of an injury. And this is definitely not on the verge of an injury. And a little bit of soreness never hurt anybody, or at least it never hurt me. And that's why I decided to go out for a run, because it's just a little bit of soreness. It's not gonna kill me, and I'm glad that I went out for it because I feel better now, and now I can go on with the rest of my day and have a good rest of the day. Let's go! And today I want to share with you all the supplements that I'm personally taking. As far as my thoughts on supplements for myself, I think they should just be that they should be supplementing my overall diet, my overall way of eating. They should not be in lieu of real food and my overall diet. And for me personally, I try to get a wide variety of different foods. Generally, the more color, the better. And then I like to supplement with supplements in case that I'm missing anything else. The very first thing is a multivitamin, and I like my multivitamins to be in gummy form because they taste really good. And anytime that I'm looking for a multivitamin to take, generally speaking, as far as the percentages of the actual vitamins, I don't like anything that's more than like 200% or 500% or like 1,000%, because from what I've learned, more isn't necessarily better, and a lot of times your body can't even process that amount of vitamins if it's 1,000% or 10,000%. So for me, if it's around 100% to 200%, that's what I generally stick with, and this multivite from Vitafusion has everything that I need. Next supplement, Creatine Monohydrate, and I really like this fruit punch flavor just because the non-flavored one isn't really that good. I mean, I guess if you're taking a protein shake every single day, you might just want to scoop it in, but since I don't take a protein shake every single day, I like to get the flavored one. And if you didn't know, Creatine Monohydrate helps build muscle, strength, and mass, and it's basically a steroid, but not a steroid, and it's legal. And Creatine Monohydrate is one of the supplements that are tried, true, and proven, and it's really good, especially for lifters. As far as like running and what it does for me, I think it helps, but then again, I'm not 100% sure, but it definitely helps with all my lifts. Also, just to make it clear, it's not a steroid, I was totally kidding. And then we have protein powder, and I really won't drink protein shakes unless I'm short for protein on that specific day. I usually track all my calories so I'll know my macros beforehand, and if I feel like I'm short, I'll take a scoop of protein. And that's pretty much it. Those three things are the things that I take, and I don't even take a protein shake every single day. And I'm gonna give you a little tip as far as protein shakes. I'm gonna tell you the truth, and the truth is that you may not need protein shakes. It actually really depends on your goal. And if your goal is to lose weight and you're already getting enough protein in the day, then drinking a protein shake actually may be counterintuitive to your weight loss goal, because what are you doing when you consume a protein shake? You're consuming extra calories. Now, if you are not getting enough protein, then yes, protein shakes are good. But if you're getting enough protein already, and you can do that by tracking your macros, you can do that by tracking your food. I personally like MyFitnessPal. If you're getting enough protein and you're drinking a protein shake, it's counterintuitive to your goals. Look into it. And again, just to clarify, for 99% of the population, in order for you to lose weight, you just need to be in a caloric deficit. There is a time and a place for the protein shakes. If you're not getting enough protein and you are still in a caloric deficit, the protein shakes and protein in general will help you keep as much muscle mass when you're losing weight, when you're cutting. Again, this is all my personal opinion. I am not a doctor. I am not a medical professional. So consult your medical professional or doctor for further information. So thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Please give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to check out some more of my videos, you can click here, you can click here, or there's also another subscribe button over here. See you tomorrow.